Hi everyone, welcome to Irene's Movable Feast. Look at those delicious and beautiful cookies. Can you believe that it only requires 2 ingredients and does not even need complicated tools or machines or a big oven? Let's learn how to make these banana oatmeal cookies today. The tools you need is a potato masher or spoons and a big bowl. Mash 2 very ripe bananas in the bowl. It will take a while if you don't have a machine. After 2 bananas is fully mashed, add 2 cups of quick oats. Remember to use the quick oat but not the old-fashioned oat for this recipe. Otherwise, it will require longer cooking time. This is the basic cookie dough and you can stop here. But now I will show you the additional ingredients. First is our all-time favorite, cinnamon powder, some chocolate chips, some walnut baking pieces. Of course, you can use other nuts. Just incorporate all the ingredients well. Use 2 spoons to form the shape. Fold them tightly with the spoon and leave about 1 to 2 inches in between each cookies because this cookie will not change the size after baking. You can sprinkle some other seeds on top. Bake them in 350° Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes or until it turned golden in the surface. You can also use a small oven. Baking does not always require complicated methods or tools. Just try to use the tools available at your kitchen and start to be creative to make the variation. I hope you can also find the joy of baking. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and follow my channel and website. See you soon!